How to transfer your Facebook account to another phone. Now, doing this method is just very easy if you have not set up any two factors authentication from your current Facebook account, then you can just definitely transfer over to a new phone without any problem. But if you have set up a any factor of authentication on how secure your account is, we will be doing some of the processes. Take note that your account might be at risk if you have not set up your or any of the factors of authentication on logging in your phone. So say for example you have um, logged into your new phone. So before you leave your old phone, there's some things that you'll need to do first before handing it over to another person. So again, log out to the old phone to the bottom part of your profile and then delete the account that you have on that old phone. Now on your new phone, just head over to your phone Facebook menu and then head over to settings. And then here, just simply tap on see more in account center. Choose the current profile that you are in right now. Now in here, just choose password and security. If you would like to log in this account permanently on the new phone, then you'll have to undergo security checks first. Choose on where you're logged in, and in here, you gotta make sure that your account on that old phone was 100% logged out or being removed. And that's it. That's how you transfer your Facebook account to another phone.